How to update Akinator app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now at the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in the app name Akinator and search for it. With that app will appear. Akinator is a video game developed by the French company. During gameplay, it attempts to determine what fictional or real-life character, object, or animal the player is thinking of by asking a series of questions. Akinator can read your mind and tell you what character you are thinking of as if by magic. Now to update this app, you'll find the option of Open or Update at the right corner of the app. If you find the option of Update, just click on it, and with that your app will be updated to its latest version. But if you find the option of Open as Mine, that means your app is already up to date. And right now this app doesn't need any updates. By following the same process, you can come to this page time and again and check whether any updates are available for this app or not. If you find the option of update, just click on it, and with that your app will be updated. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily update Akinator app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.